Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for one of my favorite boxes, the Dollar Bead box. This is for April of 2024. So let's open it up and see. I did peek. So for April 2024, I also get their Check Fire Polish bag. You get, oh look at how gorgeous these are. Along with my monthly subscription, I get the 8 strands for $8. You get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. And it's really great for building your stash of beads. And their fire polish beads are always so pretty. So we've got this. And let's see what this says. Okay. Just looking. So it says, welcome to another exciting month of beading creativity. The April box is filled with a fun array of crystals, gemstones, buttons, and more. As you dive into this month's collection, remember that the possibilities are endless, and that is so true. Also, keep in mind that we'd love to see how you bring the beads to life. Be sure to share your creations on any of the social media options below. Okay, and they have a 10% off coupon code that is in there. So if you get the box, make sure that you see it. Let's see what they've got in here. Oh, look at these. Oh, how fun are these? Oh, hold on one second. I think I just took some of the... Okay, let me make sure I got my lighting correctly. Okay. So how fun are those? Oh, these are pretty. Oh, check out that bead. Oh. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, I love these beads, this coating on these beads. Okay. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm starting out with the beads, fire polish strands, the 4 3mm ones first. This is the Crystal Half Blue Iris. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. They're all so beautiful. Okay, and next is the Jet Black. I'm going to put these two together because look how pretty they look together. Next is the Jet Black or Matte Black. And then this. These would be really pretty together. And next is the Cobalt or Cobalt AB. Look at these. This is like, almost each one of these would make a bracelet for me. You can't beat this price. Each one of these strands is $1. And this is the Blue Iris. So pretty. Look at these 4 together. Just turn them and you can just see all the glitter on them. Okay, and next is, I think this is the Crystal Half Blue Iris. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what this is too. So we've got this, so we've got it in this. Oh, these are attaching. So we've got it in a 3 and a 4. So that's great. So depending on what you use them for, you have 2 different sizes. And next we have a blue lilac iris or rainbow blue iris. I think that's what this is. It's so pretty. And next is sapphire. I'm thinking this is sapphire because the names are, you know, some of them you know, some of them you really can't figure out. But this is gorgeous. And last is the matte sapphire AB. Look how pretty that is. Even though it's matte, you have those little pops of sparkle in these. So here is all 8 of them together. Look how pretty these are. Look at the sparkle. You just move them. Don't you just love beads? Okay, let me get the other stuff. Okay, so now we're getting into the strands. And I also wanted to tell you, I do have a coupon code for BNJewelry2, which I will leave below for $2 off your first order with Dollar Bead Box. Forgot to tell you about that. Okay, so next we're starting with the strands now. This is the 5x13mm check glass spike jet luster, 25 pieces. There's 1 hole in it. These are so much fun to work with because you can do like a dagger necklace. You could have these dangling on the end of a pair of earrings. You could sew them into a creative anything with these. I love these. These are so much fun. And next, there's a choice. It's either 4x8mm check glass 2-hole brick crystal AB 25 pieces. I got the other one, 4x6mm check glass teardrop crystal AB 35 pieces. So that's the one I got. So they have the teardrop look to them. And the hole is at the bottom. Next is the 4mm check glass drop jet rainbow AB, 48 pieces. This is pretty. You can see when you can see the different colors in there. And next, these are fun to play with. 6mm check glass lentil and jet hematite, 35 pieces. These are really fun to play with. Now, some of these have 2 holes, some have 1. This is only 1. And the hole is, you can see it, it's at the top. So you can make them, can have them like off center and dangle in a piece of jewelry. Next is the 4mm check glass struck aqua AB or blue luster, 35 pieces. So this is so pretty. And last but not least for the strands is 2 to 2.2mm faceted spinel jet, 12.5 inches. Look how pretty this is. You can see all those little sparkles in it. So how fun is this? I don't remember ever getting a small one like this before. Okay, so next, for the additional items, we have, let me get this, and let me get I've got a longer one than that. Okay, I've got a longer one. Get an eye pin. So next is the 8mm check glass flower button in purple iris, 6 pieces. And the hole goes like this. So you could, you know, attach them if you wanted to like this. If you wanted to have them like this. So these are really pretty. They had a nice AB finish on them. Okay, and next is 12x14mm check glass butterflies, navy with silver wash, 2 pieces. Okay, so here we have these, and then the hole is down here. So we have like this. I love that silver wash on these. And next is a 12mm check glass spiral matte jet AB, 4 pieces. These are really fun. Oh, they got some weight to them. So both sides look the same. And I have a bend in my little eye pin. There we go. Look at how pretty these are. Both sides are the same. Very pretty. And they're thick too. And next, these look really fun. 14mm check glass button bead jet hematite, 4 pieces. I think that's what this is. Yeah. So look at that. It's a jet black on one side, and then it's got the turquoise color or sparkly blue AB on the other side. This is really pretty. And let me see. Where did I leave off? Check glass twisted oval. Okay. And next are the 7x10mm check glass twisted oval, sapphire opal, and crystal, 8 pieces. So these are really pretty. I got this right here. And each one's just a teeny bit different. Okay. And next is 10x12mm check glass twisted oval, sapphire opal, and crystal. Oh, they're almost kind of like a bigger version of that. Yeah. Look how pretty these are. They're really pretty. Each one has different striations in them. And next is 10mm pewter floral bead cap, 6 pieces. Turn a few more over this way. You can see them. So these are pretty. Okay, and next is 5x7mm star cut Chinese crystal in jet blue iris, 6 pieces. These are so pretty. I've used these before as part of a focal point for like a necklace or something, like put them in a pendant, and they are literally the star of the show. Look at that. So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. They're tiny but powerful. And next is a 12mm Chinese glass laser etched barrel, teal metallic or matte peacock, 1 piece. Oh, that's pretty. I think this is matte peacock because it's got the different colors. You see as I'm turning it. Oh, look at that. It's really pretty. The next one is 18mm check glass light blue button with silver or gold edge, 1 piece. So I got the silver. So here's that, and that's the other side. Oh, I love the flower on there. So pretty. And then the next one, this is probably my favorite out of the box just because I am obsessed with this coating. 12x22mm abstract oval acid etched jet AB. Look at this. This is so awesome. So it's almost like black on one side and then it gets to this. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Put it on both. So that's the black, and then look at how fun that is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Like a kid in a candy store with these. So, So pretty. And last but not least is 14 by 17 millimeter tiara cast apple bottom charm antiqued silver plate, one piece. So it looks like it's the same on both sides, which is always nice because if you use it as a charm on a bracelet or something, if it turns over, it's not gonna, you know, be different on one side than on the other. So this is the box for April, for dollar bead box. And like I said, use my code BNJewelry2. I'll leave the link, I'll leave the code below for your first order, for $2 off your first order with them. And I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook, all of my social media, other Insta, that is. And you can follow me on there. And I sell most of the jewelry that I make on here on my Etsy store. And I hope you enjoyed this. And if you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. I have lots of fun things coming up this year. So I will leave you with this. And you guys have a great day. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you later. Thanks so much for watching.